Hi everyone.
This is Amrit
Welcome to Amrit Talks.
I'm with Ujjwal.
Featuring
Ujjwal.
Where did you get this CCTV footage from?
we just had an idea that we both have to do a collab. Let's just start this podcast.
And we are gonna record the whole day in Vedantu office. And we'll show the glimpses of what happens at Vedanta.
Not like generally, but today what is
Today
happening?
what
at
is going to happen?
Right?
That's exactly.
As
When
simple
we are
as
there,
that.
the fun goes up by 10 times and work goes up by 20 times. Yeah, we work a lot
And the stress goes down by 100 times.
Stress goes down by 100 times. So guys, we'll take you through the process and we'll log today.
So, Amrit, what are you eating?
There is this Rajma Chawal, there is papad, pulao, non-veg and then beetroot. Healthy food. This is a grumpy man, he's always angry, I don't know why.
No, he looks like that, but he's not.
He's very angry man, he's not talking to me, he's like, we'll see you later.
Amrit, what's happening?
Arey, we are planning for the Diwali week, man. Going on holiday, so we need to plan that sessions are going.
So, how was the meeting?
Arey, teachers are getting sick. Teachers are getting back sick. Teachers are becoming old.
Including you?
Yeah, I mean, including me, I'm the biggest victim. Like, I cannot stand for 1 hour and people on the J channels are doing 8 hours videos. 8 hours, 9 hours.
Okay, are you feeling the pressure now?
Yeah, I'm feeling complex. If I do 8 hours, I'll stop. Like, you know, there will be no more sessions of mine. तो हम क्या करने वाले हैं घर?
वो तो सरप्राइज है.
सरप्राइज है. मेंटी वॉर करिए. मैम कह रही है कि कल आप आ रहे हो कि नहीं आ रहे हो वॉर के लिए. मैंने कहा कौन सी वॉर? मैम बोली मेंटी वॉर.
दिन दुनिया भूल गए सर. काम में इतना एनग्रोस हो गए. कभी कभी ऐसा फेज आता है साल में एक बार.
तो मैं गाइस सुबह 10 बजे से आया हुआ हूँ.
सर आपका रिकॉर्ड रहा है. आप में जो भी आपके साथ सेशन हो एकदम आप लेट ही आए हो और आप कह रहे हो पंच वाला हो. ठीक है.
टाइम सेशन टाइम पे स्टार्ट हुआ कि नहीं हुआ? मैंने कहाँ से सेशन नहीं लिया आप बताओ.
सही बात है. बड़े लोग घूम कर गोवा से वर्कला से सेशन ले रहे हो अपने.
हर जगह से सेशन लेते हैं गाइस. काम में कोई कमी नहीं छोड़ते हम लोग. तो उज्जवल, व्हाट इज योर सीन? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? I'll show you the man behind the camera, guys. This is Ujjwal. He's the creative head. You can be any head. Tell me.
Yeah, so my team is working there.
So that is the editing team. ये हैं हमारी Somi ma'am and best friend मिलते थे. Yes.
He knows in and out of YouTube.
Guys, she is the reason behind success of Vedantu 9th and 10th team. बहुत.
ओनली 9
all
Oh, अभी इन्होंने टेक ओवर करा पूरे YouTube को. और मतलब पहले से तो ये करते ही थे बैक एंड में. बट अभी एकदम फुल फ्रंट, एकदम वॉरियर वुमेन की तरह उतर चुकी हैं. वो एक और हमारे चैनल मैनेजर. हाय सौरभ, दिस इज सौरभ कोटूर. ये NCRT चैनल के मैनेजर हैं. वो है एक और सौरभ विद अ वी. ये बायोटॉनिक के हैं. ये है हमारे करतादारा सुमित जी. ये इन सब मैनेजर के बड़े मैनेजर जो खड़ूस से ऐसे मास्क लगा के पहनते रहते, घूमते रहते हैं और सबको डांटते रहते हैं. क्यों करते हो सुमित जी ऐसा?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं सर.
आप डांटते रहते हो.
आपका पता नहीं चलता ना आपको कैसे बोल.
हाँ वही मास्क पहन के कुछ भी बोलते रहते हो. सेफ्टी जरूरी है. यस दिस सी
Always.
यस. And here Pulkit sir is there. Pulkit sir is doing something. He's gonna come out and I used to burst all the balloons and in between they placed stickers की याद है वो don't make noise on the floor. मतलब मेजर कंटेंशन में 2-3 लोग थे. मैं, अरविंद अरोड़ा, 2 थे. और हाँ नीट में डिजीज में पढ़ा था तब.
You saw this?
Yeah, why?
We put it for that shows what we have. Or else it is like this. So here we get like very harsh lights, right? This one gives like, yeah, something like a diffuser. It will diffuse the light a little bit. for that. So you can see how pretty the frame is looking.
Yeah, I am also learning this. Am I also looking pretty? And then like ट्रेन की छोटी-छोटी वो टॉय ट्रेन की छोटी-छोटी कंपार्टमेंट्स है. ये कोई sophisticated मैडम बैठ के, ये तो बच्चे बैठे छोटे-छोटे से.
Ticket.
यार टिकट कलेक्टर आ गया.
बेड़ा ticket ले दे.
मैं बता दूं ना, जब से 1-2 दिन से आया हूं तो थोड़ी शोर शराबा हो गया है. वानी मैम भी आती हैं तो शोर करती हैं.
उस दिन सब शोर करे थे, रिकॉर्ड होता वीडियो, तो उन्होंने कह दिया कि चुप रहो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है. फिर मुझे बुरा बना दो.
Yeah, that was for me only. I only went and told her to make everyone silent. She was like, yeah, make me bad.
It was the PTs mainly who were there.
Yeah.
Because they had come in a bunch of 10 people. So
Correct.
फिर मैंने बनाना बंद कर दिया.
Banana?
Sure.
Only apple now.
Oh yes, good one.
Wow, sophisticated article, sophisticated joke. Yeah, okay guys, bye-bye. We'll catch you up after some time.
No, finish then.
Okay guys, we'll catch up with you after some time. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Hey guys, hi. So we are back to office and today we have Menti War. आज मेरी Menti War है अंकना मैम के साथ, जो कि अभी आई नहीं है, और हमारा 5 मिनट में वीडियो स्टार्ट होना है. And my dear friend Ujjwal lost his. What did he lose today?
I lost that MacBook.
The connector. What do you call it as? It had many slots and you have lost it. I guess it's 7,000 to 8,000 rupees, right? See, he's so sad. Pavam lost. Okay. So these are IT people. नीरज, इनसे पैसे लोगे तुम?
नहीं, पैसे तो नहीं लेंगे, फिर हम ये बोलेंगे कि ढूंढ के दो.
और सैलरी में से काट दोगे फिर? अच्छा, ऐसा नहीं जाओगे. तो गाइस, ये डिस्क्लोज नहीं करना चाहते कि क्या होगा उस चीज़ का. तो गाइस, दिस इज Keshav has set up my studio at home. Thank you, Keshav. It's awesome. Anas, yes, this Anas also came. Anas and Keshav came to my place and they set up the studio over there. Thank you, Anas.
Network genius.
Yeah, he's the network genius. And this is Neeraj.
Check their hardware genius.
Neeraj is hardware genius who is not giving me a new laptop.
And he won't disclose also what.
So guys, I'll have to prepare for the Menti War. It's going to start in 5 minutes. And Uncle Ma'am is not yet here. It's 11:55. And yes, Ma'am is not here. So we'll wait for the Ma'am and see you in Menti War, guys. Have a good day. Check out CCTV cameras for his USB bus. So all the best visual. And I'm gonna go. Hi Anna, कैसे हो? आता हूँ ना, अभी क्लास करके आता हूँ. अरे हमारी क्लास है यहाँ पे.
अभी?
हाँ.
कब?
12 PM.
What?
Yes, this is books from us, me and Ankana ma'am.
12 to?
1 और 12:30, 40.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
हाय बोल दो हमारे लॉग को.
हेलो.
अपनी शक्ल दिखा दो, बता दो दुनिया को कि कौन है ये. हरिप्रिया मैम, ग्रीन प्रिया मैम. चलो, तो कितने बजे थी रिकॉर्डिंग आपकी?
मेरी एक्चुअली 2 to 3 क्लास है. मुझे लगा कि कोई नहीं है तो मैं कर लूँगी.
अच्छा, ऐसा फायदा उठाना चाहते थे. बाय.
ठीक है, कोई नहीं.
अंकल मैम, आप कहाँ थे?
नहीं है.
मैं अपना लॉगिन कर दो. मैं अपना पासवर्ड भूल गया हूँ तुम्हारे का. और बैटरी मुझे भी समझ नहीं आती. और ये हमारी बैटरी खत्म हो गई है माइक में, तो आपकी गलती नहीं है. आपकी गलती नहीं है. सेशन लेट हो जाएगी. तो माइक आ गया. थैंक यू भैया.
मुझे बंदे ने रोक लिया कि मैम फीस दे दो, ऐसा करके मैं उसको 100 रुपए दे रही हूँ, वो ले नहीं रहा.
फीस की?
स्कूल फीस लेके गुस्सा हो गया वो मेरे पे कि 100 रुपए से क्यों दे रही हो.
तो मतलब ऐसे लाइक वो मांग रहा था आपसे. झूठ बोलते हैं बच्चे आजकल. इनको समझ आ गया कि लोग बच्चों को दे रहे हैं तो दे आर.
100 रुपए तो दे रही हूँ, मतलब और नहीं रहता है भाई कैश पे. इसको बस कैश था, मेरे को लगता है उसको दिख गया कि मेरे वॉलेट में क्या है.
मैडम,
होपलेस वाली चीजें कर रहे हो आप.
बच्चों, मैडम के पास बहुत पैसा है. मैम बच्चों की स्कूल फीसें भर रही है,
है ना?
तो सारी दुनिया को पता चल गया बहुत पैसा ही पैसा है मैडम के पास. और हमारा मेंटी वॉर शुरू नहीं हो रहा है. जीवन में बहुत दुख दर्द है. बैटरी भी आ गई है लेकिन. यस मैम.
हमारे ब्लॉगर आ गए.
पूरी व्लॉगिंग चलती है.
नए से लोग. अच्छा, ये यही रहेगा क्या?
हाँ, ये इस पर हमने कैमरा. गाइस देखो, ये हमारे दोस्त ने एकदम बढ़िया टेक्निक लगाई है कि हमने कैमरा फिक्स कर
तो
दिया.
उनको पता नहीं है ना कि हाउ क्लमजी आई एम. there's a high possibility in the middle of the session I fall down.
तालियां बजाई जाए मैडम के एंथुसियाज्म के लिए.
मुझे यहाँ रहता है और मैं क्रिएटिव सेशन ले रही होती हूँ तो भी मैं ट्रिप कर दी. ठीक है, अभी बीच है.
So bro, what's your name? Tell your name. And the guys, this is our hero Bharat who saved the day for us. He did all the operations thing and he stick the mic here. And yes.
I have to go home. They will not let me go.
So we have to start, guys. Like all ready, right? Ujjwal, where did you get this CCTV footage from?
सर को डर लग रहा है.
Yeah. Admin team is helping me, but maybe we might have to edit this part out.
Whose part?
This, whichever CCTV part.
Why?
We might have to edit. But okay, do one thing. Don't show the.
This is Detective Ujjwal Raj doing his detective.
I came here. And I have something in my hand. I took my bag.
You've lost something very valuable.
मैम आप क्या खा रहे हो?
बिस्कुट मैंने नाश्ता नहीं किया.
मैम ने ब्रेकफास्ट नहीं करा.
I don't know how I woke up at 9. I still was running late. सब करके भी मेरे को कैब ऐसे 12 मिनट दिखा रही है.
Talent ही होता है, special
Ma'am also
talent.
helped me last night. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Ma'am was there last night. She finished her classes and she was so sweet. She did a video call. She went to third floor. She came to second floor. She checked
For what?
for the what I lost.
Oh, good thing I was not there. Else I would have also been into the search. Yeah, everything is recorded.
Friends are.
Now I know.
Now you should
Yeah.
know who you should record more and blog with, right?
This is the last episode.
No, no.
Final episode.
No, Ujjwal. No, what I meant is
Switching to Andhra henceforth.
she was late today. She will not come on time. See, I'm always on time.
No. मेरे को कैब नहीं मिल रही थी यार. गजब बात
See,
कर
you do you.
Oh, bro, that's it. Thank God I was not there. It seems. What?
I would have helped
Because I
you.
was also in the office till late.
हैं?
मतलब देर तक ऑफिस में थी सर इसीलिए.
देर तक तो हम भी ऑफिस में थे. We were also
नहीं.
working. Yeah.
देर तक नहीं था. कितना बहुत टाइम पे
I came at 10 and तो guys I guess कुछ मिल गया है and we have to start. चलो bye Ujjwal. I'll see you. Bye. Yeah, all the best.
Show me. So finally, I found the adapter, and it was with. Okay, done with. Shavik. Hello, Shavik. Yeah, Shavik. What happened? Where are you?
I'm just getting out.
Yeah. Do you have the adapter with you?
Yes, I found in my bag.
Very good. Thank you.
Bro, I didn't take it. That's why it is in my bag.
You didn't take and it is in your bag, huh? Oh, sorry, bro. I only kept it by mistake. Anyway, don't worry. You come. You come to office, and I'll take that thing and I'll treat you an ice cream. Hello.
Okay.
Okay. Why are you feeling sad now? Are you feeling sad?
Not good, bro. Actually, I didn't take it, bro. I feel confident to dinner. I didn't.
Maybe I kept it by mistake, bro. That might have happened. Maybe
Because
I kept
he's
it by
also
mistake.
he's also having the without
Same
the bag,
bag,
na?
na?
Same bag.
Might have-
Don't worry, bro. You don't
worry,
think
da.
anything.
You don't feel bad about this. Oh God, don't cry.
Hey, we are
It's
not feeling
good.
anything,
Hey,
bro.
dude, we know that you didn't take it. You come. Shut up and come. It's fine.
I didn't take that, bro. When I check my that bag.
Guess what? I found it.
CCTV helped.
No, actually, it was with one of my teammates.
So he's changed teams because अब जैसे said thank God मैं रात को नहीं था नहीं तो मेरे को ढूंढना पड़ता.
I'm like, no more vlogs. I found it. It was.
I won the mentee and he's very happy. हमारे out of 10 scores are 2 and 1.
Last time Ankita ma'am defeated me in Menti Watch and today I defeated Ankita ma'am. Is it recording? Okay, yes. I mean, I can announcing it too. So guys, this is our creative team. And that's not my ego talk. This is Jeevan, Kiran, Nikhil and Pam. These people take the amazing photos and make the video beautiful. Is the voice going till there? Who is the Judaism? You will stuff. Okay, come on, man. So guys, this video will come on Amrit Talks, okay? Yeah, you need to check Amrit Talks.
Haha. He already forgot about collaboration. He's saying this video will come out on Amrit Talks.
Abhi is just your ठीक है he came he opened and all that he's like oh what is this it's a privilege card. मतलब nobody's asking but he's like this is privilege card you see.
Bro, not done. This is not done.
Okay, so this is a collab video between me and Ujjwal Raj video production. This is Ujjwal Raj production. In which Ujjwal Raj is there to shooting the video.
I'm talking also, bro. I'm giving content also, bro.
Everything. Leads and cameraman.
It's okay. Check it. No need now. No need.
Director, everything. And guys, this is Jeevan, Kiran and Nikhil Abraham. These people make the amazing videos which we get. Nikhil is an awesome photographer.
And Kiran is an amazing dancer. I'll put that dance bit in this.
Hey, I did not see you dance.
Okay, so basically, on that day, J results. Yeah, I have it.
We'll put it on the video.
That vlog will be amazing. I'll put that vlog.
We'll put that.
Yeah. So, my teammate took that thing and went.
Achha, you got the bus. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, the bus.
So guys, Ujjwal Raj ko mil chuka hai. So let me capture his emotions. Ujjwal, how do you feel? You have found back the peace. I feel at peace. I feel at ease. Else the money would have been deducted from Ujjwal's salary.
No, I was ready to buy.
Why?
I was so ready to buy because I needed to work.
Oh. Guys, this is the problem, okay? Like when you grow up, if you lose something, you have to pay for it. Earlier, your parents can pay, but once you lose it, when you are older, you have to pay for your stuff, which is kind of very painful. You pay for your electricity, you pay for your fuel, you pay for your shopping and everything. That is so painful. Stay kids, guys. Stay young. Stay dependent on parents. Adulting has its own problem.
I like the space. Like you can take decisions at any time. You can buy whatever you want, anytime you want.
Oh, that's a good
not be
one.
dependent on anybody.
Yeah.
So grow up, guys. But stay kids in a heart.
we will talk about other perspective. Different situation में different logic लगता है, ठीक है? सारे logic एक ही situation में लगाने चाहिए. उसके बारे में हम बातें करेंगे. अंगना मैम, आपका क्या विचार है इस बारे में?
मैंने सुना नहीं पूरा भाषण.
मैंने कहा different logic different situations में लगाने चाहिए. You cannot put all the logic in one situation.
Give us the context.
Basically, whatever helps you is what I'm trying to say. कि
What-
ये वाला मेरे फेवर में है, तो ये वाला लगाओ.
What Amritsar is saying is like it is good to be kids so that your parents can buy you stuff.
या अपने को खुद पे करना पड़ता है ना, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, बिजली, कुक बुक सब. तो मैं कहता हूँ ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट हो जाता है.
और ये जो अपने एप्पल वाले शौक पूरे करे हो, वो तो पेरेंट्स नहीं कर देते थे. अभी तो ये वाला लॉजिक भी लगेगा.
तो गाइस, पॉइंट नोटेड. तो तुम्हें महंगी चीजें खरीदने तो कमाना पड़ेगा, सस्ती चीजों में तुम खुश हो तो ठीक है. और स्वामी को दिखाओ. स्वामी मैम ऐसे क्यों बैठे हो? क्या हो गया?
Because Shami's team is not working. Or my team and Shami's team is not.
You guys corner me
Being on the
so
toes.
much. I'm so bad at this. I feel.
What?
Guys, this is the reason behind success of
YouTube.
Time to wear the mask.
Yes.
Vedanta YouTube.
This time on your eyes. मेरे को कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है
YouTube की
वाला.
success.
She is the one, the leading force behind the entire YouTube.
अच्छा, स्वामी आपका क्या विचार है? आज हम जानकर आपको बहुत बुरी तरह से हराया है.
बुरी तरह से नहीं हराया है. बुरी तरह से हराया है. स्कोर क्या है? 2:1. बुरी तरह से हराया.
स्टार्टिंग में बहुत अच्छा.
वो भी ना मैंने 2 गेसेस सही किए थे, ठीक है. एंड में मैंने चेंज कर दिया, नहीं तो 3:2 होता. फिर देखते बुरी तरह से कौन है. सर, मेरा ईगो हर्ट हुआ अभी. मत खेलो, ठीक है. सेंसिटिव पॉइंट है.
Asking for a rematch, no?
अरे no rematches, once and now for settled for once.
अभी मेंटी बॉल होने वाला है. वहाँ मैं पूरा पढ़ के आती हूँ. I'll see you there.
Oh, I like this challenge.
Yes, like ऐसा है नहीं, like एक बार जो जीत गया, अब दोबारा नहीं खेलेंगे हम.
This is like that kids mentality. No, once they win, they don't want to give up that prize anymore.
मैंने लास्ट बोला. तू बुद्धू. I said it last.
Cameraman, what is this? I am describing.
No, actually, my meeting was there. I just left the meeting and came out.
No, we are having some intense discussion at here. So ma'am's Instagram ID is A Social Wisp. Ma'am teaches social studies, but that is not social studies related. A social means ma'am is A social, so that but she's not social that much. So that is not her name.
So
And
she
Wisp is
teaches A social studies.
Yeah. No, a social whisk. Whisk is a.
Whisk is to like beat the eggs. That one.
Yeah. So madam is a social.
Whisker.
Kitchen tool. So I gave a suggestion कि your Instagram ID should be crisp so that people can search you.
Nice.
Like Amrit _ RJ. RJ. Radio jockey.
सर बताओ ना, जिस बच्चे ने मेंटी जीता उसका नाम क्या था?
मेंटी जो जीता था, एक बच्चे का नाम था, उसका नाम था एकांश, जो
क्या नाम बोलो सर?
जो अंकना मैम की टीम से था।
नहीं वैसे नहीं, पूरा बताओ।
अब मेरे को याद नहीं है भाई, मेरे को याद नहीं है,
फोटो
बट
देख के बताओ।
मेरे को याद नहीं, मैं देखना नहीं चाहता।
एकांश, अंकना, ओपी, अमृतसर, नूब। आरजे वाले आ रहे हैं, हमें सिखा रहे हैं किचन टूल वाला नाम क्यों रखा है। What?
गाइस छोड़ो, ये पार्ट एडिट कर देंगे, अंकना मैम का जो पार्ट है ना एडिट कर देंगे, ये सारी चीजें एडिट हो
यहाँ
जाएंगी।
पे कि it was एक जरा भी थॉट नहीं है, यहाँ पे इतना सारा क्या है। आई थिंक वी नीड टू क्रिएट बैलेंस ओवर हियर।
किस चीज का?
जैसे मेरे हैंडल में मैंने इतना सारा सोच लगाया है कि ए सोशल विल हैव सोशल बट विल आल्सो डिस्क्राइब माय पर्सनालिटी एंड यू लाइक इतना कौन सोचेगा, एक आर से अनार से ए हटाते आर से कर देते।
Ujjwal, Dina is telling something. Dina is in Ujjwal's team, guys. What are you doing, Dina?
Nothing, bro. You should never say nothing. Okay,
Exactly.
say something.
Your boss is your
You just say a lot.
such a
If you
miracle
don't
work.
understand, just say a lot.
Miracle work, yes.
Miracle work.
He keeps creating magic every now and then.
So guys, hope you like the vlog. So this is what we do at Vedantu. We have lots of fun and lots of love and lots of confusions. We lose things, we find things, we make friends, we have a good time. Thank you for joining. Ujjwal, you want to say something?
And thank you so much, Ankana ma'am.
Yes, it was nice working with
it
you.
was very nice working
Yeah,
with
that's
her.
very nice.
And no thank you for you. He was supposed to be my team and he's telling people, okay, this is the vlog I'm creating for my channel. I'm like, bro, what about me?
Now, right from this moment, the moment you end this, we will not even look at you. Okay, we'll be like, oh hi, buddy.
We know, like me and Ujjwal, we know each other since 2019. ठीक है?
तो
जब
क्या?
तक एक जो सोशल की चमची है ना, वो originate ही नहीं हुई थी, तब तक
Yeah,
हमने-
so since then he decided that he's doing work only for himself and not me.
No, not like that. So that is, like miscommunication.
Okay,
Wrong
fine.
use of words.
Next vlog, I'm not gonna call him or invite him or anything. I'll just wait and see whether he'll call, he will even remember, okay, there is this thing.
Like I'm going on a leave for a while. Then once we are
Where are you
back,
going on there?
कल शाम को
Where are you going?
ये बाद में बात करेंगे. करेंगे.
And this is the hook.
And who's going with you? Oh,
suspense है.
now I'm interested.
ये suspense है. We will talk about it later. Bye bye guys. See you in the next vlog. Collaboration between Ujjwal Raj Production and Amrit.
This is gonna make me famous. Hi.
Yeah, we're gonna put her Instagram handle also. She's a beautiful photographer.
Haripriya.vedantu.
Yes, that will come here. Go check out her Instagram. She does like really good photography. She has a very good eye. Yeah.
Not as good as
Did you know that?
but yeah.
See? He didn't know that.
Good.
We will do that.
Done. It was recorded. See, she is concerned. You're not even worried. Yeah.
Like my vlog is done, so I'm
यार टॉमी तुम सब मेरी टीम में सारे अगेंस्ट ही हो गए. मतलब ये 4:1.
कुछ तो किया होगा.
हाँ मुझे क्यों लग रहा है?
That's your
Yeah,
call.
I guess guys we need to end the vlog. मतलब हाँ.
Yeah, because he's feeling lot. He's hurt.
People unsubscribe.
Oh, by the way, guys, it's the _asocial_risk. Okay, follow.
_A_.
They lost it.
Anyway, finally, I think it's time to end this vlog. Thank you, Ankana ma'am. See, she's so supportive. So please go and follow.
It's the underscore
Tommy, look.
A social.
the social underscore whisk.
यार ये एडिटिंग राइट्स इसके पास है ना, तो he's like he's bullying me. He's bullying me.
Do I look like a bully, guys? No. Maybe like a routing.
Look at him.
Not a bully.
Look at him.
Alright, so that was a fun vlog with Amrit Talks with Ujjwal, right?
Ujjwal Raj Production.
If at all I make my own music, it will be Amrit Talks with DJ.
Featuring Shami, Haripriya ma'am, Dina.
Women behind the camera.
Oh, yes.
Ankana ma'am, and even her handle is there. And her photography handle is there. So,
And
thanks
special
for
thanks
watching.
to entire Vedantu
for providing the space and the food.
and
Beautiful
give us everything.
interiors that we
beautiful
have.
interiors that we have. And
I guess that's it. We're gonna end the vlog, guys. Keep smiling. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Guys, this is the person. यही है वो इंसान जिसने वो उठाया था, जिसने वो पूरा एयर को किया था. हमने खोज कर लिया. DJ, what is CID? ACB Pradyuman, Ujjwal Raj has found the bus. 3 cheers, boys. Souvik, thank you Souvik for help. You know.
I might have only kept it in his bag by mistake.
Yeah, we know that. Chalo, thank you Souvik. Bye bye. Thank you for joining. Ujjwal, you want to say something?
And thank you so much, Ankana ma'am.